Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create an event on Eventbrite. So for that you need to open up your Eventbrite account, and after opening up and basically signing up, this is where it will lead you to. Then you can click on this option of organize over here, then click on create events. Just click on it and wait for it to load. After that, click on get started free, and here you will have to type the event title within 75 characters, and after that you need to provide the information of the organizer, which is you, and then select the type of the event that you are organizing, and it can be anything, whether it is a camp or class or concert. So after choosing the type, then select the category of it. It can be related to business event, it can be a music event, so just choose accordingly. And after that you need to put tags so that it can be utilized for marketing your event. It will basically help the people to discover your event, whether someone is searching for music event and you choose to organize a music event, then you need to put tags related to music, and this way people will be able to find your event. And then choose the location, it can be any venue, and put the address over here. It can be an online event too, and if the location is yet to be announced, then just simply click on to be announced. After that you need to choose the date for this particular event, the end and the start date, and whether it is the recurring event or whether it is an one time event, just choose it. And after choosing all these things related to your event, you need to just publish it, and after that people will be able to discover it and join it. And this is how you create event on Eventbrite. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.